silence embrace, a dry long way. Then the heavens open wide, sealing fate. Drops descend, a gentle sigh, kissing dust beneath the desert sky. Stepping out, the air so keen, North Mountain whispers a vibrant scene. Creole soul, its magic starts to bloom, chasing shadows from the desert's room. Oh, the desert rain, a sweet perfume, berry camphor banishing the gloom. A symphony from thirsty ancient ground, the smell of life where silence once was found. Petrichor, a melody soft hum, from brittle bush where the fresh scents come. Desert lavender, a gentle sweet refrain. Mesquite joins the chorus, washing out the pain. Oh, the desert rain, a sweet perfume, berry camphor banishing the gloom. A symphony from thirsty ancient ground, the smell of life where silence once was found. Then a flash, a distant silent fire, ozone whispers lifting spirits higher. A clean crisp sweetness dancing on the breeze, nature's marvel bringing desert ease. Oh, the desert rain, a sweet perfume, berry camphor banishing the gloom. A symphony from thirsty ancient ground, the smell of life where silence once was found. After the storm has passed, this fragrant memory forever built to last. Until the next time the clouds begin to form, we'll breathe this wonder in the calm after the storm.